Okay, this is part two to connecting to your NVM CNC controller. Um, there's some tips and tricks midway. This is long-winded, as I always say, and so let's just get right into it. Go down to your internet access signal bar here. If you don't have a Wi-Fi card, this will just look like a rectangle with a cable beside it. Right-click on this and go to Open Network and Sharing. We're going to go to Change Adapter Settings, and then we're going to highlight this guy here. So there's a box around it, and we're going to right click on him. You'll notice right now status is grayed out. It's offline. So we're going to go down to Properties, and once we're in Properties, we're going to go down to Internet Protocol version 4. I'm going to select Properties again. Initially, you'll see here, obtain an IP address automatically. This is for your ISP, like if you're going to go plug into your Ethernet port on the wall for internet. We don't want that. It's completely not the case for the NVM. We're going to go here and just check this box. And we're going to add our own IP address in. So it's 192.168.1.11. Click the subnet mask and just click OK. Now, if your NVM is powered on, you can connect your cable and it will actually connect. So at this point, my Ethernet cable is unplugged. I'm going to grab my Ethernet cable, install it into the port. Things start changing, and we're going to go right-click on this guy, Status, and you'll notice, working with this little box now, that we have packets being sent out and we're not receiving packets. Here's some troubleshooting tips to figure that out. So in this case, Mach 3 isn't open. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and click Mach 3, agree. And this guy here is the old school printer port operation. It's how Mach 3 was used way back when, before they came out with Ethernet cards, I guess. And we're going to select NovaSun plugin version 3B. And at this point, we are connected. So what we're going to do is just minimize this just to confirm. And you'll notice that we start receiving bytes back from our IP. So this is all good now. We can actually just close this box. All right, so there's a couple things here. We confirmed it in the status, so we can actually go ahead and wire in our e-stop to our controller. And just for a bench test, you could grab a switch. It just has to be a momentary switch or a micro switch. And we're going to go to ports and pins, input signals. We're going to scroll all the way down to e-stop. Now e-stop is an input, so we want to make sure this is checked off, and we're going to type in pin 1. We're going to hit apply and OK. There you go. Now, depending on how your switch is wired, either normally open or normally closed, at this point we should be able to reset our controller or our program here, and then hit our e-switch or e-stop switch, and it'll throw us into an emergency mode. And that is about it for that. If you get the error in the status bar that it's the controller or the device is not ready, just hit the e-stop that you wired in and then hit reset and it might come back online. Um, anyway, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, um, and stay tuned for more.